Exclusions are really important. So as you can see here, there are blue and there are red filters or pills or however you would like to call them. So the red ones have been excluded and the blue ones have been included. I already touched on it a little bit earlier. So what you could do is, let's take the example I brought up earlier. If you want people that work in business development but not people that work in sales, you can block out everyone that is in sales. So that is interesting. If some functions are relevant to you, but it's also really helpful if you want to break up those searches. So if you're saying, okay, um, I have everyone in the United States, but I want to split it up. So I'm going to add Canada, for example, but you want to make absolutely sure that you're not having the same leads in that twice. So you don't want to reach out to the same people twice, or you just want to make sure that you break it up. Then you exclude the United States, and then that way you're making sure that you don't have any duplicates and that you have clean searches everywhere. So that really helps in splitting up your searches. It really helps in breaking things down. It can help you exclude existing clients, previous clients, maybe some people that you have a problem with. It can help in a lot of things. It can help break things down by industry. So it's a very, very helpful tool to exclude people.